Daddy's love. Where you going, Teeny? Come here. I don't even think I got you a while ago, love. It was all hidden. Teeny, my love, it's starting to rain, darling. Agape? Yes, my dear love. There's my little gypsy tweet, my little bit, my chief shepherd, Michelle, Angel and Angelica, Easy Lay and First Lay and Queen, and little Elpis, my little hope. 10 of my babies in the ground. These 9 were killed by a pit bull. Got underneath the fence and killed every one of them at one time. Except for little gypsy tweet, and she stayed alive with us for the whole day and died in the afternoon. You girls having fun. Maria, Caratao, hello my beautiful Sophia. You know I hardly ever get you because you're so shy. Hello Agape. Don't run away. Hello Mama. Mama's my girl. Yeah, my little girls. God bless my babies, Jesus. I love you, Agape. I love you, Mama. Hi, beautiful Rachel. Hello, Jeannie. Hello, Hannah. Hello, Eclecta, my darlings. Hi, Sophia. Would you come and let Daddy have some kisses? Oh, there's my morsel. She jumped up. Hi, Teeny. That's a spoiled little girl, but I love her so much.